Good morning guys, welcome back to Outsider. I'm Tank and I got something really interesting for you today guys. I got a lot of history on it to tell you. I even got two hacks. They're only small hacks, but they're hacks all the same, okay? So what I've got is the Yugoslavian mess kit, or the Serbian mess kit. So here it is guys, you've all seen it most prob. I think I paid £7.50 for mine, which is a cracking deal, you know. It's amazing. That is off eBay, as I said. You can get them everywhere, right? And they do range in price. You can even get them down to £5. And I have seen them up to £20, right? So have a good look around. But my one cost £7.50 and I was more than happy to pay that. It's worth a lot more than that. So as you can see guys, it comes in a canvas case, right? It's an olive green. There's two belt loops at the back there. You could even attach that to your webbing, okay, somehow with some paracord or something. But coming back to the case being canvas, you can use it as like a Millbank bag, right, as a water filter, and it does work because I've used it. So that's something you can do with the bag, okay? Little popper there, look. This is something I keep in mind, okay? I just keep a foil lid there to put over when it's boiling water or cooking food, just to speed the time up, okay? So you're using less fuel. I'll come back to all this a little bit later now, right? But I did see a gentleman on YouTube complaining about this. There's nothing to complain about it for, right? But he was complaining about this, that there was no lid. Just make your own guys, right? I got a bit of cardboard under there, and I've got several layers of foil. Sometimes it wears or tears. Just put another layer of foil on there. So there's my lid, alright? And that just fits snugly under the canvas bag lid, like so, alright? That's something I keep in mind. You don't have to, boys and girls. I keep one of these in here as well, little Brillo effort thing, because it's one unit, okay? After you've cooked food in it, I'll come back to that as well. I got something to tell you about that. You don't want to be putting it all back and it's all being caked in, like I don't know, wherever you eat noodles or curries or whatever. So I always keep one of them with me, and I always got a little Nalgene bottle of washing up liquid with me anyway, okay? So keep a little cleaning kit with you. So going back to the food side of this now with cooking, right? It wasn't designed for cooking in, right? It wasn't designed for that, believe it or not. What they were designed for was you go up in the mess, you put your mess tin out, and the cook's the other side, fill it up for food with you, and hot water, or even soup or hot water, okay? Right, so this is added. So you got your knife, fork and spoon. KFS it's called, right? KFS we call it. Right, so it all fits in there nice and snug. So when you put them together guys, right? First spoon, then your fork, your knife, then it's got a little recess there. It goes together like that. Now then, just put them there out the way. With the knife, okay, you've got a bottle opener and you've got a can opener. Now the can opener on these are absolutely superb. They work a charm, they do, right? They're brilliant. So that's your KFS. See, it all sits snug together. And what I do with mine is, let me get one for you just to show you. Excuse me a minute, guys. use one of these. What's going on now? Oh, let me get another one. They come in packs of 100, so I got loads, guys. So what I do to stop it rattling around, right, I just put one of these air elastics round. You know the score, guys. Just double it over a few times like so. See? So now we're secure. Don't have to use a hair elastic. Use whatever you want. So that's your KFS, okay? So coming back to the main unit, okay? So there it is. I say it fits snugly into the bag. And don't forget, guys, this can be used as a millbank bag, right? So it can be used to filter water. That's all you would do, would put some paracord around there, hook it up to a branch. You could even use one of these, put it underneath to catch the water, okay? Right. So let's come back to the main unit then. So it snaps together there, okay? So as I say, guys, when I used to go to the mess hall, right, what they used to do was this. Come back to all this a bit later now, guys. They used to go to the mess hall like so. You'd have hot water. Sorry, you'd have your main meal in this side. You'd have your hot water this side, or soup, main meal, okay? And the soldier would go to the mess hall. He'd go like that, and he'd turn it around for a cook. So that's a neat little feature there, look, right? And when you're eating your meal, say you had your rice in there, and your wet food in there, you know, like your curry or your chili con carne or what have you. You have a spoonful of that, spoonful of that. See? So that's that. Right, let's give you some stats here for a start now. Just going to give you some stats, guys, right? So let's start off with the weight. So the weight on its own, okay, in the pack is 818 grams. The weight with a litre of water, because the bottle that comes with it, which is also a great feature, holds a litre of water, okay, so that takes it up to 1,820 grams with a litre of water, okay. Some people take water into the forest or wherever they go in. Some people filter it there, right? Depends, you know, how much you want to carry in weight and things. So it says on the top here, okay, it says on all the plastic components, Ni drazati na vrati. And what that means is simply, don't hold over a naked flame. For obvious reasons, it's plastic, right? Even though it's tough as houses, plastic, it's bomb proof, right? But it ain't fireproof. Okay? The main compartment there, right? It's aluminium. Now aluminium is safe to eat out of, guys, right? So don't go thinking it ain't. It is. It's safe to eat out of, okay? It's covered in ceramic, okay? So that's that. Another good thing about these guys, right? Because it's got a shallow lip, you know, it's flat, like some water bottles, canteens, round. So you got the opening there, the neck, then you got the bottle, so you couldn't get down to the bottom of a stream. So with these, okay, and you've got two, so you could go to the stream, okay, and you could scoop up water in a low puddle, stream or whatever, okay, so you get out really low. And again then, you could just carry your water back from the stream to camp, like so. Another cool feature. so shallow, okay? So with the two plastic components, right, this is a drinking cup, okay? It holds 7 ounces, right? It holds 7 ounces of fluid, so I would say coffee, right? If you're having espresso, black coffee, perfect. They also used to use these, the soldiers, to put salad in. Used to use these for salad, right? Now I don't know about you guys, but when they have salad, I have a mountain of it, right? Because it's basically water. Salad is water, okay? Yes, full of vitamins and minerals and things. But they used to use this for salad, right? But that is actually the drinking vessel, right? Now if you want a cup of tea, if you like me, a brew, you'd have that, right? Now that holds 26 ounces. So that's like a lot of guys use instant coffee and that. Instant coffee in here would be gone in a mouthful. But if you'd have a really strong espresso, perfect. But that's the boy, right? That's 26 ounces. So that used to hold the main meal as well, okay? But it's crazy to think, you know, that all this, it wasn't meant for cooking out in the field. It was used for the mess, like. But coming back to the water bottle, okay? Now these are fantastic. It's a hard plastic, right? Now here's two little hacks I'm going to show you, okay? You might have seen one of them before. It's not really a hack. It's just something I do. So the bottom there, okay? So I've got some masking tape there. It's a good one, right? It's a strong one. And underneath there, that's all I've got is water purification tablets. I do it on all my water bottles, my 56 bottle, everything, okay? Something I want to show you here. This is another hack. This is actually a hack, right? So you got your lid there, right? Which they are watertight and they won't leak, right? But I mean all about stuff like this. So that's all I've done, guys. I put a 32mm diaphragm in there, okay? It's just a rubber seal to Loctite that there. So when it screws down, you can feel it biting down on the rubber. Where are I? So it's called a fill valve, diaphragm washer. Okay. There's 5 in a pack, the ones I bought. I bought them from Screwfix, I can, but you can get them from B&Q anywhere, right? They're 32mm, that's the size for this bottle and most water bottles. And I think I paid £3.40 for 5 of them. Bargain, innit? So coming back again to the main compartment, right? So we as campers are going to use this for cooking, alright? And I say you keep a little cleaning kit with. But if you wanted to minimise the cleaning, that's all you would do, and I've done it myself, guys. You just use a 1 litre freezer bag, put your food contents in there, and put the bag inside there. Easy peasy, Japanesey. No cleaning then, is it? Just take the bag out, pour it down your throat actually, innit? But you'd eat out of the bag end, see, and when the bag is finished with, you just bin the bag. Okay? Another thing, guys, believe it or not, the original Yugoslavian or Serbian mess tin kit was actually all metal. The only thing that was plastic was the lid of the water bottle. Everything else was metal, okay? I don't know why they changed it. Doesn't bother me using plastic. There's another fact for you guys. Something else, guys, little tip for you, okay? For your cooking fuel, when using this, okay, just to cut down on cost, I would definitely use methylated spirits, okay? I would definitely use that rather than a hexy block. What I use, well, let me show you. So this is what I use, guys, right? I've got an old sweet tin. I've got some fire rope in there. And what I'll do, I'll keep topping it up with methylated spirits. Give it a dousing, okay? You might have to do it 2, maybe 3 times to cook a main meal, okay? But it's still a lot cheaper than using gas and hexy blocks. So that's what I cook mine with, okay? So I'll put that in my BCB stove, douse it with methylated spirits, over the top, way to go. So there you go, guys. There's your Yugoslavian mess tin kit. And it all slots together nice and snug, like so. It goes in this canvas bag. You don't have to use a canvas bag, you put it in you know, in the utility pouch on your wear bin or whatever. You got your KFS. There's a little little recess there. So I always keep a sponge, and I always keep a little bit of foil, just wrap around some cardboard, just to keep it just to speed up the cooking time, you know, because I would save you one fuel as well. So there it is, guys. Get yourself go out and get yourself one. Say cheapest chips. They're definitely in the top 3 mess tins, you know. But because it's a flat recess as well, that's a bonus collecting water. The canvas bag you can use as a Millbank bag. Put one of these with you buy. Get yourself a 32mm diaphragm washer. Put it in a lid, okay? Put in a lid of all your bottles anyway. So there it is, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and I hope I've give you some things to think about. Comments down below. Interesting I would be. You know, if you can think of any other hacks. I can think of one actually, but I'll do it on a later video. But yeah, comments down below. Thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Go on, press that button, guys. Subscribe. See you on the next one. Have a good day.